Hello there and welcome in my second ever YouTube tutorial video, and in this video I will be teaching you guys how to create an ocean with foam in it. So let us begin with. We have a default cube here. We are gonna apply an ocean modifier to it first. There we go, we have an ocean here. And now I'll set the resolution to somewhat 20. Then we will check generate foam and type in the name foam. Now we can apply some materials to it. I'll switch into the render mode. Oh, the scene doesn't look quite lit, so I'm gonna apply a sky to it, a dynamic sky. There we go, now we can view it clearly. So I'll start up by changing its color somewhat blue. Yeah, this looks good. And I'll decrease its roughness. I need someone dark blue. Yeah, that will work. I'll play with some IOR settings and increase the transmission to full. There we go. Now it looks somewhat like water, but we have to add foam in it now. So we are gonna add some few nodes here, such as an attribute node, an emission node, and a mix shader. We will attach our attribute color to the color of emission and emission to the shader. We'll type in here the name foam. The name here should match with your modifier name which you typed here. It must be same in order to work. And there we go. Wait a second, where is the foam? Oh, you can increase the strength, so you can increase the strength of the emission so that you can see your foam in there. There we go. We have a foam here. Nice. I'll increase it to somewhat 4 maybe. Yeah, that looks good. But it still looks somewhat low poly. And to fix that, I'll again go to the modifier setting and increase its resolution to somewhat 30 maybe. Yeah, there we go. Now it looks much greater and good. We can still play with some of the settings here in order to get the desired result we want. I'll lower down its roughness a little bit. Yeah, for me it's good. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something new today.